fuck are we going?
Puppies. When the bomb lance doesn't kill them.
I'm not using a bomb lance.
What are you using?
Spectre.
Oh.
And the
Oh my
mask.
fucking god.
I just watched one of the dogs run towards Shy, then just have a heart attack and flop over.
Please be make it in here. There it is.
Nice. I punched one of the dogs in the butt.
There's a Winfield Terminus in
Blood
here.
bonds.
You can get a better Spectre.
No. I don't like the Winfield Terminus.
What if you have levering?
I don't.
Just get levering.
No.
Just get levering.
No.
Just get levering forehead.
I don't like the spam skill. I don't like the spam traits. Find them boring.
Says a
lever.
person with a shotgun.
Yeah, but that's not spam.
It is, it's Spectre.
Yeah, but...
I hate this Spectre.
Oh.
Like, I can't use it. I'm within range of someone, Ashton. And then I get like 2 tapped at 700 meters by it.
Did we piss those dogs off? Or are they not pissed off?
Well, Odin, or Salty.
Shut the fuck up, dogs.
Stealth runs.
Oh yeah, totally.
A trio of nitros in a bush.
Cool.
Oh god.
Oh my fucking god, more dogs.
Oh my lord.
I heard you wanted more puppies.
I
Oh my god, Shy, more of them spawned.
I did just post the Cerberus trio in Dog of Nice Things.
No, you fucking delete
Oh my lord, god damn it.
Delete it. I'm gonna go find more Cerberus to post.
Oh my lord.
Oh, fucking posting Cerberus.
Posting more Cerberus, you can't stop me.
Stop. I killed 2 dogs and I look, there's 6 more.
I'm not gonna post anymore, I'm too lazy.
I heard a Winnie very close.
Healing here if anybody needs it.
Shy, you gotta put some bees on you.
No, I
Never
don't.
mind.
Fuck off with Cerberus.
They're so cute. Don't you just love that little Cerberus-y face?
No.
Wow, mean, you hear this?
Kitties. Grab. I'd loot them.
Well, they're all one and the same being, so...
Oh,
I loot it.
reconsidering.
They all have the same perspective and experience.
Don't come any closer.
Fuck me.
There's a, spicy meatball.
That's supposed to meet the ball.
Oh.
I basically was kissing crows and I just stood still, just went, oh.